Hello everyone. Today I am very excited to share the news that I have successfully completed the WebStackAcademy internship on MERN. And this is the project I am going to submit through the course of this MERN. First of all, let me show you my internship offer letter. This is the offer letter I have received from the WebStackAcademy on the 3rd March 2026. So through this internship, I have learned a lot of things. They have provided me the LMS details. Let me show you the details. Yeah, the LMS details are learn.webstackacademy.com and I belong to the batch 6. These are the things I have gone through. I have, first of all, these are the tools we need to develop a MERN project. First, we should have a code editor like VS Code, Visual Studio Code, and we have to install Node.js, Git, and GitHub if we want to deploy or we want to collaborate during the project time. And MongoDB Atlas setup. Here we can also use MongoDB Compass, but instead of Compass, we are using the MongoDB Atlas. It is the online version where we can store our database, we can retrieve and perform operations. An introduction is about React MenStack. Then we have started doing the backend Postman installation. See here, we use the Postman. Initially, we are not going to develop front end and back end simultaneously. We have first developed the backend part and tested the backend part using Postman. See here are the backend routes which I have been tested using the Postman. Then we have created the database models, authentication means login and register buttons, restaurants and so on. Then finally we have attempted many quizzes and then front end part is also completed. Today I am going to explain you my project in a detailed way. First of all, main stack. Main stack, as the name suggests, M means MongoDB. MongoDB. MongoDB is the database using which we will store all the data. Then E stands for Express. Express is a backend framework where we will create all the routes, middleware, controllers and etc. Then R stands for React. React is the front-end library. React will handle all the UI parts and the front-end things. Then N means Node.js. Node.js means the environment where this app will run. Hence, in order to do this project, we should have a MongoDB Atlas account. We can create it for free using online, and we have to install Express and React. These are the subcomponents in Node.js. So once we have installed the Node.js environment into our system, we can simply install those using the npm I command. Okay. Now I am going to show my MongoDB Atlas account. This is the MongoDB Atlas account. See, I have named the project as wsaInternship project. In this I have these all models. Models is nothing but the tables. In MongoDB language, tables are known as models or collections. These are the tables which I have been created. And when coming to the execution, this is the execution part. See, initially this is the home page. Here we can search for any restaurant. For example, I am searching for the KFC. See, I have seen the KFC. If I have clicked on this logo button, then it will take me to the home page. Then these are some of the views I have created. Pure veg means it will show only the vegetarian restaurants. Sort by reviews and sort by ratings will be rendered accordingly. Just a minute. Yes, here see, initially we have 9 restaurants, namely Haldiram's, Mani Dum Biryani, KFC, Empire Restaurant and all, and each restaurant will contain some its own menus like charts. It consists of main course, anytime, like that. Now let's see the here we will have two domains, user domain and admin domain. So in our project we can log in as two ways. We can log in through two ways. One is as user and the other one is as admin. Admin will have the extra privileges while user will be considered only himself. Let's see that more clearly. Before showing that, see here I have, this is my backend part, backend terminal, and this is my front-end terminal. I have started them using the npm run dev. Then only we will be able to access the website, because I have not deployed it. Okay, now see here the cart is 0 initially because uh, no user has been at logged in, so I am just logged in here. If you have seen this here in our database, in the users collection or users model, just a minute. Yes, we have three users. One is the Kana, named Kana, Devi, and Shravani. You can see the roles. Kana is an user, Devi is also an user, and Shravani is an admin. So first we will see the user part, then we will go through the admin part. Then now Devi is one of the users, so I am using her credentials @gmail.com, and the password is 1236. See, if we are new time, first time we are using this website, then we can click on the button new user. Then we can first register and then navigate into that. Okay, so for now, since Devi is an registered user, we will use her credentials. Devi@gmail.com and the password. Okay, let's hit the button. See, this change your password means I have used a less secured password. That's why Google is reminding me that you are more vulnerable to a data breach. Okay, that's not a big issue now. See, here it is an avatar like default profile pic. Then here I am seeing the name Devi. You can show the orders which are being placed by Devi. No, not orders being placed yet. Then you can see her profile, like which she has entered while registering into our website. Devi@gmail.com and joined on this date. Then she can log out using this button. We will see about the logout button at the end. Yeah, these are the restaurants. Now I am going to Haldiram's restaurant and I want a pani puri and dahi papad chaat. Yes. See, as I have been selected this, the cart became 2. Why? Because I am using two charts. The quantity is 4, 2 plus 2, 4. But the dishes are 2. That's why it is showing 2. If I go to cart, see, now you can visible, I have placed 2 pani puri and 2 dahi papad charts apart, aside. I can even modify them here also. See, I can even delete before being the checkout. Now I see this is the Toastify, React Toastify part. It's a famous part of React. Then okay, we will discuss about it later. Now I am using the checkout. Checkout means I want to order it. I want to place an order. Now it is going me through stripe.com. Stripe.com, I am using this for a test mode. I have created an dummy account also for this test. See, these are all the dummy details. You don't need to create the original account. because I belong to India, but Stripe will only work for US citizens. That's not the matter. And see here, I am getting the message that your order has been placed successfully. Now let's go to orders and view. See, Haldiram's restaurant, I have booked one item for an amount of 105 rupees, and let's view it detailed way. This is the delivery info, and why it is 105. The item is 50 only, but 105 55 extra is for delivery charges. Okay, now we have seen about the user logged in. Now let's log out as an user. See again, Toastify message is viewing that this is a famous thing of menstack, and then we want to log in again, but this time we want to log in as an admin. So we are using the Shravani credentials and the password login. Now Shravani is an admin, so she should have definitely an extra privileges than a user. Here Shravani didn't use any profile pic, and default should be appear, maybe some network error. Then see, when we logged in as an user, what button we are able to see? Add to cart button. But as an admin, he is able to see the delete button. These are all restaurants. Add restaurant, delete restaurant. These are the extra privileges he had. Now let's delete one restaurant. This is the restaurant I recently added for a test. Let's delete this restaurant and we will add it again. Local host is asking us, do you want to delete this restaurant? Okay, I want to delete. Then see, it has been deleted. We can check it whether it has been deleted or not using by logging in as a user also. See here, previously we have 9 restaurants, but now we have only 8 restaurants. Then I would like to add another restaurant. This time we will use another restaurant name like um, suggest me a restaurant. Okay, I will use the Sajas food court. What is the address? We will use the Guntur. Pure veg or not? No. Longitudes, we will use these longitudes. Image URL, we can take an image using the Google. Sajas restaurant, Sajas food court, yes. We will see the images. This one is good. Better at least. Now we will go and we will paste that link of the image. Then we will click on create button. See, here we have created a new restaurant. We have added a new restaurant. Now let's add menu inside this also. See, add menu. Inside add menu we will create a category name like non-veg. Create. Inside non-veg, now it is in category like charts, anytime, meals, main course, like that. Inside non-veg, I am adding an item now. Name, what is the name? Chicken dum biryani. It's very tasty, right? Then what is the price? Sorry, chicken dum biryani. What is the price? We will put 200. See, this is the AI description button. This button enables us to write the description automatically without manual intervention. See, when I click this button, it has given me automatically with basmati rice, spices, chicken, like that. And stock, how much amount means how many parcels do you have? I have around 20 parcels for example. And image URL, again we are going to search for that image. Just give me 2 seconds. Okay, we will go about with this. We will go to images. We will copy the image address. Then we will paste it here. You can even ignore this item, but without the image the card will look dull. That's why. See, now here the items are being added. These are the extra privileges the admin will going to have. And let's check this out. What is the another restaurant we have added just now? Sajas food court with the menu chicken dum biryani. Let's see this. Let's log out as an admin. Logged out successfully. We are receiving the message from Toast. Then yeah, we will log in. Now who is the user? Devi. Sorry, my bad. And the password login. Okay, again more vulnerable to data breaches. Now see, here we are going to see about 9 restaurants. Previously there is a Momo restaurant, wow Momo restaurant, but now it is deleted because admin Shravani has been deleted it. Now she has added the Sajas food court and we are able to see that. Let's go inside it. See, the menu is also here. Now this user, if Devi wants to eat chicken dum biryani, she will add cart to it. See, one dish is added to it. Then we will go to cart, 2 chicken dum biryani parcels. We will check out and we will go to the Stripe. We will place an order and so on. Okay, I hope you have understood what I have been done, and this internship journey have taught me many things about the MERN stack, and it's really worthy of joining into this internship. I'm really thankful to my mentor who had guided me throughout this entire project. And this is the end of this session. I hope you will like it. Thank you.